And so they offered a black theology class. And Demian Wheeler was the teacher of the class. And when I say that's the best class that I've ever taken in my life, and I've had a whole lot of schooling. I've had a lot of classes on a lot of different levels. That's the best class I've ever taken in my life. And it was the best class that I ever taken in my life because of how he let us do what we need to do, but how he always came prepared. Because I said, how can this white man teach me about black theology? But what ended up happening, he was really the catalyst of me starting to deconstruct what I thought was a pretty solid foundation. But he always say, you need to deconstruct it. You got a lot of biblical ideas, but you need to deconstruct it. And him pushing me and pushing and pushing. So I say he poked and hugged me simultaneously because he pushed me to do well. He always gave me good compliments, affirmations, but he also challenged me. And that's what I need, and I think that's what a lot of people need. You got to be able to handle what he says because he's not worrying about your feelings. Just like he talks about how James Cone empowered and pushed him, I will always give him credit for doing me the same way. And I'm going places. So I'm going to some big places, but I always honor him because of just his dedication to the craft of teaching and making sure that his students learn. Because sometimes teachers just teach and they don't make sure. But I felt everybody in that class probably felt the way I did because I think he was good enough to hit us on an individual level, at the same time hit us on a global level. As we talked about black theology, and he's not a person that's black. And that empowered him from my standpoint